we're going to go ahead and jump right into, what is the data logger? What are we here to talk about, and what does it provide us? And certainly where everybody's head goes first is with quality. What does it take to make a good quality fusion joint? And there are several different elements, and that's where the data logger can really help it. First place is, let's talk about, you need qualified procedures. And we have that in our industry, whether it's ASTM F2620, DVS, ISO, we have procedures that have been proven through testing and results to be able to produce good quality fusion joints. Beyond that, we also need qualified operators, and that is certainly where, if you're getting training or if your company is getting training, it is certainly important to train on the full process and have operators and be able to tie operator qualification back to the joint report. And then qualified material. So again, we have standards to produce good quality material that we can rely on and know that it is capable of producing good quality fusion joints. Qualified equipment. We here at McElroy certainly know a thing or two about making fusion equipment. It's important to make sure that your equipment is well maintained and up to standard to be able to produce that, and we can bring that information all together. Finally, quality control as a whole. So all of these things are important, and the data logger can bring them all together and really assist in your quality control effort for sure. But something beyond that is that you need to think about that process as a whole from a business standpoint. You need to think about it as it's a system, and you have to design that system from whether who's recording the joint, what the expectations of the data that they're recording, to when the data gets transferred, when the data is into the vault, and then who's finally going to look and make adjustments as necessary at that data as well. But all of these elements brought together is where we can have a much higher quality of fusion joint.